This video shows how to install and use Kimina Prover Preview model for proving mathematical theorems rigorously in the Lean4 language locally. Can a machine learning model truly reason like a human mathematician? This is what we are going to check out in this video. I am Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Kimina Prover Preview is a large formal reasoning model that achieves state-of-the-art performance in theorem proving with an 80% pass rate on the Mini F2F benchmark. This model outperforms prior works by a significant margin, demonstrating high sample efficiency even with small sample budgets. This comes in different versions, including distilled model and an auto-formalization model, all of which are open sourced on Hugging Face. If you look at its architecture, it is very interesting. It is based on whole proof generation enhanced by reinforcement learning that allows it to generate proofs without prover feedback during training and testing. With a massive 72 billion model size, 7 billion model size, and long context scaling up to 32K tokens, this preview demonstrates performance scaling with model size and context length. It uses a distinct reasoning style called as formal reasoning pattern, which bridges the gap between formal verification and informal mathematical intuition. So let's check it out. We are going to install it locally and we will check out how exactly it performs. I also want to give a huge shout out to Mass Compute for sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, you can find the link to their website in video's description. I'm also going to give you a discount coupon code of 50% for a range of GPUs. So this is my Ubuntu system and I am using one GPU card of NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. First up, let's download the model and I'm just downloading it from Hugging Face website. While it downloads it, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are AgentBot. AgentBot lets you effortlessly deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack, and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support, and I will also drop their link in video's description. So the model is downloaded, as you can see. Now the tool which I'm going to run this model is VLLM with text generation web UI, and I'm going to serve it with this server.py script in text generation web UI. If you don't know what VLLM and text generation web UI is, just search my channel and you should be able to find plenty of videos on both of them as how to get them installed and what they are. So VLLM is a very lightweight inference engine, whereas text generation web UI is a simple graphical user interface on top of it so that we could chat with this model. So I already have it installed. So all I'm going to do, I'm just going to serve it. So you can see that the model is being now downloaded onto my GPU. And the model is now being served at localhost at port 7860. So let me open that in the browser. And then first thing we need to do is to go to model on the left hand side, click on load, and that loads the model onto our GPU. That is done. Let's go back to the chat on the left. Let's make it a bit bigger so that we would see what is happening. I'll just make it slightly bigger. Okay, so that is all done and good. Let's do some inference. So what I'm going to do for this, I'm just going to test it with some of the mathematical theorems. Maybe we will check it out with some of the other theorems. So first up, there is a mathematical theorem. I'm asking you to prove that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. It's a simple one. So it is going to check it out. Okay, so you see it has already done it. And this is the thing, I'm not sure what exactly that by sorry is meant, but this is also mentioned in their Hugging Face that it comes with by sorry. Anyway, so but you can see that it already has given us this, which I think is quite good. Let me ask it a bit harder one. So this time I'm going to ask it in the prompt template given by the model, and I'm going to go with a bit harder Lean 4 prompt, and I'm asking it to auto formalize the following problem in Lean 4 with a header and use the following theorem name. So let's see if it is able to use these theorem names or not. Yep, so it is going with theorem triangle inequality. Yep, looks pretty good to me. The interesting bit is that it is quite concise and precise, and that is what we need in mathematics. Okay, let's check out another one. And this time I'm asking it to use this theorem, which is Cauchy-Schwarz inequality and this thing. So let's generate it. Let's wait for it. Maybe I should have started another chat, but anyway, there you go. I think it could be a bit bigger. I'm not really impressed by this answer. I don't think so. It is good enough. Let me adjust some hyperparameters. So on the left hand side in the parameter section, I have set this temperature, min P and top P. So I'm going to save it. Also, I have set this system message. That was already set, but so let's see how it goes. So I'm just going to go here. Maybe we'll open a new chat and then retry this one. And I'm going to show you as is without any editing. There you go. This one is much better. Yep, this is closer to what I was expecting, but still I would expect it to give me a bit more. But anyway, I think this is more closer to this theorem which I was asking it to do. And if I quickly check the VRAM consumption, that should be interesting. So let's run it. Quite a big model. So over 15 gig of VRAM it is consuming. I think it is a bit higher for my liking, but anyway. Okay, let's ask it a mathematical reasoning question, a deep one. Now for this final one, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to give it this fundamental mathematical theorem, a problem of Galois theory in Lean 4. Let's see if it is able to do it. There you go, already good stuff. Yep. Spot on. I can already tell it is in the right direction. I'm not really sure what exactly is why it keeps putting in sorry, but I think this is some sort of a joke. Maybe, I don't know. This is also mentioned on their Hugging Face card that it ends with bye sorry. Anyway, so you already saw. I don't see bye here, but sorry is there. Anyway, but look, I think this one is quite good. So impressive stuff. Maybe VRAM consumption is a bit higher, but look, as long as it can prove this just like a human, why not? I will drop the link to it in video's description. If you like the content, please do me a favor and share the channel and video among your network. Please like the videos as they also help a lot, and that is the only marketing I do, and I totally and heavily rely on you guys for that. So please help me out. Thanks again for all the support.